Today we're making garlic bread chips with Bolognese dip. Take a bread slice and press with the help of a rolling pin. Cut the bread slice in 4 triangle shapes. Brush garlic butter on both sides of a bread. Set the bread slices in a baking tray and bake it for 20 minutes at 180 Celsius. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix it well. Take a pan and add 1 cup of chicken stock in it. Now add cheddar cheese mixture in it gradually. Add 1 cup of cream and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well and add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Now set a layer of 3 cups of mince with pasta sauce in a baking dish. Now pour the creamy mixture on top. Sprinkle 1/4 cup Parmesan on top. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Delicious garlic bread cheese with Bolognese dip is ready. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!